This foreign girl, following the call of her heart, came to marry into a rural village in Guangxi, China. Although she was unfamiliar with many things at first, she quickly adapted and learned how to cultivate wet rice with her husband's family. She also began learning to operate a tractor, something she had never tried before. With her eagerness to learn and youthful enthusiasm, she can now drive a tractor skillfully, even better than some of the local villagers.